so after 1 month, they told us, you have to be ready, you going away.
So you were in the ghetto for a month?
Yeah, from the ghetto, yeah. They took us to the train station, you know. On the train station, they put in ad, you know, like a big, like a dish, you know. On this was the toilet, you know. On the women's, on the men's, on the babies, everybody was there, you know. On the, we just, you know, we just was sitting, you know. On the train was starting to go, you know. On the, when we was coming to Krakow, you know, in Polish, the train stopped, you know. On mine, my little sister was 18 years old, and she doesn't know what, you know, we have a little window like that, you know, in the train, not a regular train, you know, because the doesn't was any chairs, you know, only we was lying on the floor, you know, with the babies, with everybody, you know. And when we come to Krakow, you know, as a German was my little sister was 18 years old, you know, and she was looking out at the window, and they shot him right in the head, you know, and she was falling off my hand, and she fell off my hand, you know, as she was so, you know, my father was starting to scream, you know, was starting to scream, my mother, and everybody was, you know, like, and he opened the door, the German, he told, if I heard any noise from you, I want to kill all the wagon. As we have to be quiet, you know. And when the train was starting to go, we went to Auschwitz, you know. When we come to Auschwitz, as